Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create your account on Weverse application. So first of all, launch Weverse application once you have installed on your mobile devices. Once you come to the app's interface, at the bottom you'll see the option of New to Weverse, Sign Up. Let's tap on it. With that, you will be led to this page. You'll see various options through which you can create your Weverse account. For now, let's tap on the option of Sign Up with Email. Now, in order to create your Weverse account, start by entering your email address. Here we go. Now over here, you can tap on Send Verification Code. So Weverse will be sending a verification code to your email. Now you would have to simply copy this code that has been sent to your email address. Open the Weverse app again. Enter the code over here. Then tap on Verify Code. Now you would have to start by creating a password for your Weverse account. Make sure that your password meets all these criteria. Now confirm your password again. After this, enter a username for your Weverse account. So this one is randomly generated. You can remove it and enter your own. Make sure that this username is available. Then tap on the option of Next. Now, you have to agree to the consent to the terms of use. Make sure that you select each and every option on this box or tap on Agree to all on top. After this, tap on the option of Sign Up Now at the bottom. After this, you will be led to this page. You have to select your favorite artists over here. You can even skip this step. Then tap on Join One Community if you wish to. With that, you will successfully be able to sign up to Weverse account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.